Hello everyone, this is Ashu Sharma, and before going to my direct to my project, let me explain why I have created this thing. And the thing is, like in every day, all people they get emails in the inbox, and some are very useful, and you have to respond. And in between them, then you will see some of the emails which will be like unexpected invoices in your inbox, and some will tell about some warning about your process, like your passwords which are going to be deleted, or it going to be expired, which were not expected to you. And there will be some notices which were also not expected, like you have to uh, check your bank account details, or like some document is required, or your KYC is needed to your bank, and you have to respond urgently, and you have to submit some information. So similar mails you will see, and always there will be a doubt in your mind, like whether these files are uh, safe to you look in, or they are just phishing mails. To solve this problem, I have worked on a project that is uh, checking whatever information is in the email, is it legitimate or not. So I have created a project that is called Smart Mail Checker, and Smart Mail Checker is not uh, the solutions that are already available in the market, or freely available in the market. And most of the solution they use like uh, pattern based detections, or you can say signature based detection, which are like which attackers also knowing about them, and they try to create some emails which will can bypass those artifacts, like those signatures. So because of that, I have created a platform where you can check the legitimacy of your email, okay, by providing some detail to it. Okay, let's see how or what is my use case. So basically, my application, it requires some input from the user. The input will be a raw email file, which will be having all the information that you can get from your uh, email accounts, like Gmail or Outlook, or you can download the complete email on your hard drive in the form of .eml or .msg files that you can submit to my app, or you can directly copy paste the text body of the email. Okay, then this uh, app will actually use some semantic based detection. It will actually understand what your email is saying, and what all other artifacts look like, and it aggregately, by using generative AI or LLM models, it will create a report out of it, and based off that report, you it will be very helpful for you to give a verdict whether the file is a clean or legitimate one. Okay, in this I will use threat intel platforms as well, like which is very popular, VirusTotal, which I am using some APIs. Right now I'm using my public APIs, and some information should be stored. That for that I'm using GitHub APIs, and as like LLM models, I'm using Gemini uh, 2.5 Flash. So for that I am using Gemini API calls. So this is the framework that I have created, and I have deployed it on cloud, and that cloud is actually Google's solution. So in that, I have created a basically authentication module as well, by which any user can create an account with the help of Google email ID. Okay, let's go to the direct to the my application. This is my application link. This is already deployed on Cloud Run, which is created on like platform Python platform Flask framework. So in this, you can see in on the home page, like let's first, I have already logged in my account. So let's go back and see. So whenever you go to this link, it will ask you to log in with your Gmail account. Once you click your give the authentication, it will go into your mail account, like it will register with your mail accounts, and then you can easily use the application. So in this application, as I have already said, you can directly copy paste the raw email file. I will let you know how to generate that. And another option you have, like if you want to submit a file in the form of EML or .msg, you can choose the file, select the file from your local system and submit it. Otherwise, you can just paste the Sky text from your email and analyze the email. So let's start with the first approach. So let's say I have so many emails. I will go in my uh, there is a phishing email folder where I always uh, filter out my emails which are looks like phishing. So let's see this email. So I want to copy the original email. So if I am using Gmail, I'll go on the three dot and see there will be a option of show originals. So once I click over it, it will give me this information and my raw email. This is my raw email. You can click here to copy it to clipboard, and then you can go back to the application and paste it here. Okay, and just you don't need to do anything else, just click analyze email. That's it. It will use GenAI, and it will tell you what type of email is this. So when it says a rank, it will provide you the rank, which is 75. 100 means your it is completely malicious, means there is some payload that are very risky for you to download, and it will install you like some spyware or something. Okay, so in that case it will be 100. If it is around 0 or less than 30, then it will be come into legitimate one only. So it have actually evaluated 75 out of 100. That means this is more beyond the clean file, legitimate file. So it says the email display characteristics of phishing attempt. So obviously this I have uh, already know this file is a phishing email. So it says it is a phishing attempt and it doesn't pass SPF or DKIM. These are the indicators which are checked for whether the file is coming from legitimate user or not. Okay, sometime like you create some automation and all. In that case as well, these artifacts will not be the same at which can give the genuinity. So yes, these are very good indicators in the classification process. Then you can see there is a suspicious location, login location, and vague call to action, no direct links to Twitter because it says it is coming from Twitter. So there is no link of Twitter. That means this is also indicator which will tell you this is actually not coming from Twitter. So there will be something uh, doubtful or risky. So it will give you the recommendation as well. So the recommendation the app gives you, do not click over the link in the email. Go directly to Twitter website to check for the login activity and change your password. So if you got trapped in the this thing, then don't worry, go in the your account and change the password. Okay, it will give you many artifacts. This will be run on the VT as well, but right now the APIs are not supporting to it, VTI API. So they are not giving the actual result, but I'm working over it. It will be working soon. And you can see these are the domains that were found in the email, and still the VTI API is not working. So threat intel information is not received yet to this page because like I'm using public API for VTI VT virus total intelligence query. So they have some limitations of like giving only 4 requests in a minute. So because of that, it is like delaying the results. But I will find some solution out of it and like will do. And this doesn't have any attachment, so it doesn't give any information about the attachment. So this is the actually the report that my app will give you, and it will obviously tell you this is a very 75 is a very highly risky thing. You should not uh, click over any of the links, and you will be safe. And if you want to see raw JSON file of the file, then you can click here and you will get the complete data. Maybe some error is there, so this I will fix later. So this is all about my app. I'm working over it, and soon I will submit the final uh, solution. Thank you.